Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 23rd Kartigai, 9th December 2025, Tuesday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadrado, Kritika Masam, that is Vrchika Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tidhi up to 8:47 p.m. Panchami, then Shashti. Bhaumavasaram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 9:01 a.m. Ailin Nakshatram, then Pushan Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Sunrise as per Kerala 6:23 a.m. Chandrashtam for Dhanur Rashi, Shulam North, Prayachittam Milk, Sradhatidhi Panjami. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.